Hello, fellow seekers of tranquility. Let's immerse ourselves in the beauty of a blooming field. Find a comfortable space and let the energy of nature inspire our breath. Close your eyes and breathe deeply, syncing your breath with the lively dance of the flowers. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. 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 Now, as we conclude our breath session, repeat the affirmation. My energy is as vibrant as a field of wildflowers, spreading joy and positivity. Feel the resonance between your energy and the lively field, a beautiful exchange of positivity. Thank you for breathing and thriving with us today. Subscribe for more mindful moments where each breath blooms with nature's vitality. Until next time, be as vibrant as a field of wildflowers and thrive with Breathe and Thrive Hub.